Hello everyone and welcome to the daily analysis. This is basically just a video to summarize what happened on Friday. So on the 24th of Jan we had a lot of news confluencing with the euro, with the pound, um, and the US dollar as well. Early in the morning, I did mention this on the prior daily analysis video as well. So just looking at how it played out, as we expected, there was going to be a lot of volatility in play in the morning. So as we can see with GBP USD, we was expecting some volatility with the pound. So we had a good buy order from this point on in the yellow zone. Now it was totally your call if you wanted to take your profits early on or before the news event, or however you wanted to play it. We just missed our daily line, so that would have been a potential profit level if you did use our analysis, but it failed to meet. So and currently we're on a form of downtrend, so hopefully you took your profit in a clear manner. So with euro, US dollar has a similar confluence with the GBP USD, except when we was talking about this the other day, we did mention that this, if you did take a trade off here, the risk to reward ratio is quite risky. So I was kind of saying to people, if you did take this trade, if you didn't take this trade, I don't blame you just because of the risk to reward profile. However, if you did manage to get into that trade, then you would have benefited from, especially from the euro news. But with that and with the euro news that we was anticipating, I would have looked for a pullback into the trend line to some degree. Except we didn't really manage to get that. Unfortunately, we just got a touch towards former resistance. But we'll obviously update this for next week, and I'm sure there will be a definite opportunity to get into this pair in case you did miss out. USD JPY, we did have this hold selling order from early on in the week. It's still descending all the way back down. Now, if you notice here, there was an opportunity to get into this market after the play. So we had that pullback into this zone here, and if you can see very closely right here, there was a bearish engulfing candle, so that would have been a good trigger there. Risk of 15 pips for a potential 30-40 pips. So it's still descending down. We could see this fall further, but like I said, if you did miss that opportunity, we've got this zone to consider and see how it plays out next week. So not to worry if you did miss that. We'll obviously update everything for the weekly analysis video, etc. With gold, previous on the 23rd, we said that this would have been a good buying opportunity here. Your risk to reward ratio is quite high, but if you did manage to take that and adjust your risk size and your lot size, etc., this would have played out and just broke even as of towards the end of the day on Friday close. So I do believe we are still bullish now for temporarily until we break, until we come into this region here. So around 1594, so coming into 1600, we could see a move to potential this level. So we'll obviously discuss this further on the weekly analysis video, but this is just to summarize what happened on the Friday, and hopefully this helps you throughout the week. So these videos are for the purpose of learning our strategy and preparing you for the next trading day, especially highlighting the news and where the price is in relation to our zones. So if you are enjoying this process or the video and you are learning something, make sure you are subscribed to the YouTube channel for all of the future analysis video, and that'll be all. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you next week.